As humans, problems are bound to happen. We face a lot of problems every single day. Some may have solutions, some not at all. Our mobile devices are now essential part of our lives because it holds a lot of memories. The photos we share with mom and dad, the ones we share with our family, our children, our companions, and even our colleagues. Our phones help us connect to hundreds of people online. It also helps us connect to our bosses, our jobs, our projects. It can host all our documents and even some vital informations that are very important to us. Our phones brings a lot of joy in our life. And in as much as it brings joy to our lives, it also can cause us pain. Our phones can cause us pain when we have no access to them anymore. We cannot have access to our phones anymore when our phones are being stolen, or maybe it fell in a river, or even in a soup. There comes your thinking. The very first thing that comes in our mind when you don't have access to our phones anymore, our how to get our contact, our photos and our videos, our notes, our calendar, and even our document. This becomes a problem when we don't know how to get access to our information. Samsung, iPhone, OnePlus, Oppo, or Xiaomi. Today I want to talk about iPhone. iPhones have a very secure system. So once you lose your iPhone, it becomes a very big problem to retrieve all your information. But today, what if I tell you you can access all your informations even if you have lose your iPhone? I'm gonna take you through a wonderful steps that you can get access to all your informations. I mean your files, your images and your videos, your notes, your calendar, even your Find My iPhone. You're gonna find it over here. So you don't have to worry about your informations anymore because as an iPhone user, your files are being backed up to the iCloud automatically. Put a smile on your face. I'm gonna take you through these wonderful steps. All you need is a laptop. You don't really need any Apple device. So whether you have an iMac, MacBook, or iPad, whether you have HP laptop, and then hey, you don't even have to worry about your OS. So whether you have Linux, Windows, or Mac OS, you can still have access to your files. All you need is an internet connection and a laptop or a desktop computer. I recommend using a laptop or a desktop computer or a tablet. Follow me as I take you through the step. We need to visit the iCloud.com. I have it open several times, so I have it here already. So one is opened, what follows is your credentials. You have to know your password and your email address. If you know your iCloud information, then fine, you can still have access to your information. If your credentials is connected to a two-factor authentication, then you have to get your phone close to you or your email close to you. It is open. I have my mail, I have my contact, I have my calendar, I have my photos, I have my iCloud drive, I have my notes, my reminders, my pages, my numbers, my keynote, and even my Find iPhone. If I need my photos and my videos, all I need is to click on my photos icon right over here. Let's wait for it to open. You don't have to worry about your information anymore because you have access to all of them. You know, these are all my pictures and these are all my videos. So you wait for it to load and then you have access to all your images. So you don't have to worry about your phone anymore. These are some flyers from last year, and these are photos of my friends. And this is my own photo. So if you have thousands of photos, millions of videos, you can still have access to all of them because automatically iCloud or iPhone uploads your informations to the iCloud. Whether you like it or not, that is iPhone for you. That is one of the things I love about iPhone. So yes, these are all your informations. You don't have to worry about your files anymore because you have all of them together at one place. So I can just go back and click on maybe contacts. All your contacts sit right here waiting for you to open. Just I didn't know that you can still have access to your information. My network is very slow. Very funny. Okay. There it is. These are all my contacts. So your contact also sit right here waiting for you. Once you log on to the iCloud.com, you enter your credentials. If you have connected to the two-factor authentication, then you have to get your phones ready or even your email, because they are going to send you a notification. They're going to send you a code to be able to access your information. Whatever I need, I have it right over here. If I click on the iCloud.com, so whatever icon you see over here, it is accessible. If you like this video, can you subscribe to the channel, and hey, don't forget to turn on the bell to receive all my future uploads. This is very incredible information, so please share this for your friends who are also in trouble or also in the same problem, to have solutions to their problem. Thank you for watching. If you have any problem, kindly send me a message in the comment section below, and I'm going to do my best to reply all your comments. Hey, don't worry. The only problem you're going to have is that you may not have access to your credentials. That is the only problem you're going to have. But if you have access to your credentials, then you don't have to worry, because now you have access to all your information. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.